I'm Jennifer Colwell with Entry Envy, and I'm going to show you how to do an installation with a vertical sign. Please note that if you are going to install this on brick, hardy plank, stone, or another masonry product, there is a second video that you might want to watch regarding specifically how to do that on those products. But this concept applies to the French cleat hanger that is on the back of these signs, and we're going to go through it right now how you do this. These are called French cleats. When it comes to you, it's going to look like this. And there are two marks for where you're going to put your screws at when you go to install this sign. So I'm going to take this tape off to show you how this works. Basically, this piece is going to mount on your wall, siding, brick, whatever you're going to put this on. You're going to use the same screws that are included. They're multi-material screws, so they can go into any surface. However, if it's hardy plank or stucco, a concrete type material, brick, stone, there's information and instructions about that. And the link's right below this connected to this video. Okay? When you take this tape off of how it comes, you're gonna put this on the surface that you want to attach your sign to. And you're gonna make sure that this is perfectly level. Use a level or use a measuring tape. You're gonna drill your holes. And you're gonna attach this to right there. And then what you do is you take this sign and you just hook it right on the top. I can't do it because I'm holding it, but it's gonna hook just right over the top. You don't have to worry about getting it perfectly centered in the middle of where you want it to be, because you're gonna have some play to be able to go back and forth. But this is very stable. It won't allow it to go back and forth against the house. I've never had one blow off in a storm. It's a very, very solid install method. If you have any questions, please don't ever hesitate to call me or to email me. social@entry-nv.com is a good way to get us, or you can message on the website. We are happy to help you. I'm going to show you how it looks on the outside of my house. So it's French cleat again, and basically this is my sign, and it's dirty because it's been up for a year. But French cleat allows an easy install method, and when we have these screws that poke through to hold the numbers, it holds it away from the house so they don't go against it. And they'll sit against it, but it won't move. Just wanted to show you from the actual application of it. I mean, literally once you get this piece has already come, you put that piece on, you make sure it's straight, you stick it on right there, and you're done. That's it. It will not go back and forth. There's not a lot of give. You can move it this way so that if you don't have it quite in the middle, no big deal, no problem. So call if you have any questions. This is a good one. Thanks. Now, one other note here real quick. That's it. It's so easy. Email me if you have any questions. Thanks so much.